Everyone flounder.
Oh, they're going to chat with us too? Okay, do you want to tell everyone your name?
Yes. Romilly.
Romilly what?
Romilly Alice Young.
Very good. And how old are you, Romilly Alice Young?
3.5.
Wow, that's so big. How big are you going to be on your next birthday?
4.
Wow. And do you have any brothers or sisters?
I don't have any brothers, but I do have sisters.
How many?
3. Me? 1, 2, 3.
And what are their names?
Their names is Beatrix, Joanna, Pepper, Violet, and Juniper, Lucy.
Oh, well, good, thank you. And what holiday did we just celebrate?
Jesus' birthday.
What do we call Jesus' birthday?
Christmas.
What did you get for Christmas?
For Christmas, I got these 2 earrings. This thing that I'm holding.
Oh, who gave you that?
Papa from Deputy.
Very good. Did you get anything else that you liked?
I did get something else. What was that? That thing was my
From Gran and Granddad?
cookie tea set.
Your cookie tea set. Okay, from Debbie too.
That's for my.
What did you get? What did you get on Christmas that you loved?
That's for my. That's for my. That's for my.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
No, his name is Flounder.
I know. She's saying it's from us.
Why?
Because that was Pippa's present from us, wasn't it? Okay, I started again. Tell me again what your name is one more time.
My name is Romilly, but people call me Rolo.
Oh, okay. And where do you live?
I live in America.
You do live in America? Yes. What state in America? Pardon, June?
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, that is right. Pennsylvania. Very good. Were you born in Pennsylvania?
No.
Where were you born?
I was born. Can you say it first?
Scotland.
Scotland.
Very good. Okay. Now, I would like to... Oh, let's not do that. I would like to know, do you go to school? No?
I do school at my house. My bottom.
Okay. What were you saying about school?
I was saying about homework that I do sunshine.
You do sunshine? What is sunshine?
Sunshine is number 1. It's number 1.
It's the first book of that? So you, what do you do in it?
My mother reads it. Dodie reads it, and I do all of the things in it.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I have a couple more questions and then we can be done. Do you have a favorite color?
No. Purple and black.
Purple and black. That's not from McDonald's. No, it's not. And do you have a favorite food?
Yeah. And my favorite food is peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. I wouldn't have guessed that. I thought maybe apple.
Well,
You do love a cutted apple, don't you?
also cutted apple.
Yeah, you do. Okay. Who are your best friends?
My best friend are the 2 Addisons and the 1 Ada.
2 Addisons and 1 Ada. Anybody in your family that is also a friend?
So Pippa and me and Dolly
Oh, me too? Well, thank you.
and Juniper
Okay.
and W
Dover.
and Goody.
Our fish too, okay. What about Daddy?
Addy too.
Okay. And do you have a favorite toy? And this will be my last question.
Well, yeah, my Seekadik.
Your Seekadik. What is your Seekadik?
My Seekadik is I smell with it, but I can't smell because I smell.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.